Accidents are common in the workplace. This video was created for educational and safety awareness purposes. We'll show recreated or documented scenes as examples, explain how they happened, and how to prevent them in real life, so you can avoid them in workplace. Do not attempt to recreate any of this. While collecting paper blocks from the recycling line, his hand moves too close to the cutting area during operation. This highlights how routine tasks still require full attention and clear separation from active machines. The worker moves too close to the suspended structure before the lifting process is complete. While the load is still in motion, the support line fails and drops without warning. This is why keeping distance during active lifting operations is essential. Movement is never predictable, and awareness must come before speed. The person behind the forklift controls is likely not a trained operator, just someone asked to move the load for a moment. A single wrong pedal input changes the machine's direction, leaving the worker in front with no time to react. This is why only trained operators should control heavy equipment. Small mistakes with machines can turn routine tasks into irreversible outcomes. The worker stands directly beneath the suspended load during lifting. When the rope fails, there is no reaction time left. This is why standing under suspended loads is never acceptable. Keeping distance is the simplest and most critical safety rule. The worker's finger slips into the saw for a split second, but the safety shutoff system cuts the power immediately. This is why proper safety mechanisms matter. The right precautions don't just reduce damage, they prevent life-changing injuries. Thankfully, he is not injured. They step onto the machine, thinking it's completely stopped, but it suddenly starts again and pulls them in. This is why standing on machinery without lockout and confirmation is dangerous. Distance and proper shutdown procedures save lives. The crane is lifting heavy timber. The cable suddenly fails, and the worker standing below is trapped under the load. This is why never standing beneath suspended loads is critical. Keeping distance is not optional. She reaches for a glove on a moving conveyor. The machine doesn't stop, and her hand gets pulled in. This is why you never touch a machine that is still running. Stop it first. Distance and lockout save lives. While using the ladder, he loses his balance. There is no safety line, no fall protection, and no secondary support. He falls into a container holding hot industrial material below. Thanks to a quick reaction, he manages to get out on his own, but even a few seconds are enough to leave permanent burn marks. This is why ladder safety is never optional. Before climbing, equipment must be inspected, secured, and suitable for the job. And when working at height, safety lines and fall protection are not extra precautions. They are basic requirements. One step, one slip, one moment of imbalance can change everything. Distance, preparation, and awareness save lives. The machine pauses for a short cycle. Thinking it is safe, the worker reaches inside, but the system is still active. This is why machines must be fully stopped and locked out before any intervention. A brief pause does not mean the danger is gone. Distance, lockout procedures, and patience are what prevent irreversible mistakes.